Hello, this is Jennifer from Asta and Anne, and today we're going to take a look at what's inside of our zipper purse and we're going to actually put it together. So let's take a look at what you get inside. Opening it up. With our zipper purse, it comes with the zipper pre-inserted, as you can see here. So the idea behind our kits is that we've taken away a lot of the work for you to make them easy. So we've got the front and the back already attached. We have a pocket that we can decorate as well. We have instructions. And we also get some pins. And we have a couple of needles as well. So this is what we have. And this is just some ideas of what I have done embellishing our zipper purse before we go into making it up. So there's the pocket on the front. Lots of different options that you can do, trims in the edges, and you can do things by hand or you can either do them by machine as well. Lots of options, so don't forget to go to our website and also social media and you can see lots more embellishing ideas there. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how easy and how to put them together. For this one, after we would have done some embellishing, we would sew our pocket on. I like to sew it onto this side. So there's the zipper pull, that side, and I have my pocket on the right hand side of when the zipper is towards the left. So I then place it where I want it to be. And our pins, the pins that you get in your kits are amazing. I love these pins. I use them for a lot of other things as well. So we just pin it into place. They're handy to use if you're wanting to help guide something through. A little pin. So that's ready to pin. I'll get the machine set up. I am using to assemble our kit designer thread by Wonderful. It is a 40 weight polyester thread and I find that it works beautifully for assembling our kits. And colour number 217, oh there's the machine. 127, sorry. So designer color 127 is my thread of choice. So I have a size 80 needle in and I have the designer thread in the top and the bottom of my machine, and I'm going to just stitch, my stitch length will be at a 3 and I will just stitch it together. We just ease around the corner. Just look around. And around. Okay, so nice and easy, and the next step is just to stitch it together. This is probably not tricky, but a little bit more involved, because what we're wanting to do here is to just tuck under the ends of the zipper tape there. So we're just tucking that in, and then we're going to stitch it together. So again, popping a little pin in there to help, and I do one sideways this way, so I'm trying to do it so you can see without okay, edit. So we're popping the pin in, and that holds it secure that way rather than doing the pin that way. So we're holding the tape together, and then we will stitch it around, and the same thing on the other side. So what we're doing is we are just popping the tape down inside, and I will hold the pin again from the top in there. So we are going through the 2 lots of zipper tape as well as the pieces of felt. So it's a little on the tougher side, but it's worth doing, because then we're holding it together that way and get it in. Okay, and then starting at the top, just take the pull away nice and flat, and just stitch around. If you want to, you can still pop another pin in the base just to make sure that we've got it nice and evened up. All of our felt pieces are heat cut, so they have a edge to them. And just reverse a couple of times there, and you can feel along the side there, make sure that it's nicely lined up together, and stitch around. Just taking care around the corners. When stitching your pocket on, it's a good idea to keep in mind you don't want it to go too far, too close down to the bottom edge, because then when you're stitching it together, you'll end up being too close. So I've kept it where we're about 15 millimeters away from the base. And easing around again. Sure that's in, and you can see here, this is where I like to use my pins as well. Sometimes they can be an extra finger, so you can hold it down. They're great to use this way for if you need to hold anything else into place. That's my little tip. And we would just anchor that. There we go. Just our zipper purse assembled. You can see there's the pocket.